Hello and welcome to another video here on Powerdojo. In this video, we're going to have a look at a feature called layer order. I have a report on screen over here. Right now, this report is filled with visuals. You might ask me, what are you talking about? Because you can only see one blue rectangular shape figure on this page. We'll go to the View tab on top over here and select the selection pane among the show panes set of icons. And the feature that we're going to talk about today is layer order, which appears on the left side once we have the selection pane on our screen. So as I said, these are the visuals or shapes that are present on this report page. But why do we see just one? Let's see what happens if I were to hide this visual using this icon. You'll see there are 6 different visuals or shapes or below or behind the blue rectangle that we just have hidden. Now this layer order feature, for those who use PowerPoint or are in consulting and have the habit of preparing several slides on PowerPoint, you know that we can arrange different elements that we put on our PowerPoint slide, send them back, bring in front, send backwards. This is what layer order lets you do on your Power BI report page. We can see the list of either shapes or visuals that are on our report page. We can choose to hide or show them by clicking on this icon. Now you might ask, why do we have 4 different shapes? Now, unless you explicitly give them a title of either a shape or a visual, like I have done for sales by year 1, 2, 3, these shapes will be named as shapes or a visual. Now, the layer order will let you choose in what order do you want these shapes or visuals to appear. Should they be behind? Should they be forward? Now, for instance, just imagine we want this rectangular shape right at the back. What we can do is select it and bring it at the bottom. So now you see all these visuals are in front of the blue rectangular shape, which is right now at the bottom. Not only that, we can also group. For instance, let's say we'll group these 4 shapes by selecting Control on your keyboard. Select these 4 shapes, click on more options and group them. I can see this group has been renamed as group 1 and we have all those shapes inside it: the blue rectangle, the yellow rectangle, the yellow triangle, and the black triangle. Now if I choose to hide this group, all the shapes are hidden, or I can simply choose an individual shape and hide them. So this is what you can do with layer order, depending on where do you want the visuals to be. If you want them to be overlapped or in front of shapes, you can play around with this option in order to understand what this layer order feature is capable of. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments about what you thought about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.